Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Getting the request URI outside of a request handler in Google App Engine, Python, can be useful in scenarios where you need to access the current request's URI but aren't inside a web app to request handler class. This might be necessary for tasks like URL routing or processing requests in middleware. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to achieve this with a code example. Prerequisites. Make sure you have a Google App Engine project set up with a basic application structure. You should have the app.yaml and main.py files ready. In your main.py, import the required libraries to handle HTTP requests and to extract the request URI. We'll use the Web App 2 framework for this example. To access the request URI outside of a request handler, you can create a custom middleware that intercepts each incoming request and extracts the URI. Middleware runs before any request handler, allowing you to capture the URI. Now that you've created the middleware to extract the request URI, you can access it from any part of your application by retrieving it from the requests registry. Here's an example of how you can access it in a request handler. With this setup, the request URI middleware will capture the request URI for every incoming request, and you can access it from the requests registry in any request handler. Deploy your Google App Engine application and test it by accessing the root URL or other routes to see the request URI being displayed. That's it. You've successfully created a middleware to access the request URI outside of a request handler in Google App Engine, Python. This can be very helpful for various use cases, such as URL routing, logging, or authentication checks. ChatGPT.